Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have your sequence open, so start by finding the audio clip you want to change. First, expand the audio track height so the clip's white volume rubber band and waveform are easy to see. This helps you judge loudness visually. Next, right-click the clip and choose Audio Gain if you want an exact decibel offset. That's faster for consistent levels. Once set, you're ready to make quick timeline adjustments or automate changes. These steps let you control loudness while preserving clip. With the clip selected and the timeline zoomed in, grab the white rubber band running across the clip and drag it up to increase volume or down to decrease it. Premiere shows dB changes as you move, so you know the exact adjustment. If you need level changes over time, Control or CMD, click on the rubber band to add keyframes, then pull individual points for fades or boosts where needed. Make sure to listen while adjusting. Visual cues help, but your ears decide final balance. Once your clip volume looks right, use the audio track mixer to nudge the track fader and watch the meters so peaks don't clip. Meters tell you whether to reduce or raise levels. For faster cleanup, tag the clip in the Essential Sound panel and apply a preset like dialogue or music. These normalize and add gentle compression. If you hear distortion, immediately lower the clip gain and add a limiter or dynamics effect to tame peaks. That prevents clipping and keeps audio clean for export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.